Going to cure it for 30 seconds. If you're using other transfer for I hold transfer 4 gels from a white bottle, this need a 60-second cure under really proper curing LED lamp. All right, this one 30 seconds. We're probably gonna do the we're gonna do precision glue. In the meantime, we're waiting for that nail to be clear. I'm gonna go in between like all the gap and the cracks. It feels scratchy because we have a lot of beautiful crystal going on right here. I would not want them to catching on the client's hair or their clothes. I can feel scratchy right here. I am going to squeeze. Each time you're gonna squeeze just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. And once you get this run a little bit. And then we are going to cure this once for 60 seconds, and this nail will be done. Here you go. So this is super cute design, and this is from a Halloween collection. I believe we do have this one. Just dropped something. You can do any spot of this. Let's see if I'm gonna using. That's right here. This one will get a little cats right there. It's hard to hold this one. So I'm gonna lay this one right here. Boom. It's hard. Okay, so you wanna hold the nails for me? Right there. There you go. So you can do it right here, or you can do any way you prefer. Or look at that, night party. Or even this one. Can you move on that one? You won't see it. There you go. Maybe on this one. Okay, move. There you go. This nail is gonna be so much fun, but it's so simple and fun. Look at that. And you can't able to do it again with this. You can lay it in and do another one, but I'm gonna save that for our crystal placement. Really fun, so many details. You can cut the pumpkins out, you can do a masquerade, spider, you can do everything you want. So I'm just don't want to be too busy. I am going to apply the condensed glue gels.
Hey, Whitney request cat next time.
Oh, cat next time. All right, Whitney, you got it, girl. Who's gonna get the cat? Oh my God, it's closer to the holiday, or once in a while in the summertime, we're gonna do that. Halloween nails, or any of nails that you feel like even you request me for Valentine nails, I would do it for you. Or Mardi Gras nails, I would love to do it for every single of you. Tomorrow we'll do design with Versace, I think, was whose request is one of. Okay, so I'm gonna go in to condensed glue gels.
So, Keisha?
And no white top coat.
Yes. For the big chain on the Skull Rider, yeah, that one is only come with the Skull Rider one. Is bigger than most of the other chain.
Yeah, that one is a huge one, KJs, because it's come into that. I'm gonna do cute spider, cute, sassy spider. She's like sparkle. She's not that scary. I do not like spider at all, but because she's cute, so I take it. You can do this with gel painting and to draw her legs, but you can do this with frame. You can do with straight frames, you can do with the curved frames, however you prefer. Whitney, you can put the cat on it too. We have a fun, like we have like a cat collections sticker. Also, we have a chanfo foil. You can use it as well. Whitney, I can't wait. So I want to do more.